Imagine a material for building windows that combines the strength of wood with the low maintenance of vinyl. A material that's durable, energy efficient, and environmentally smart. That's Fibrex material. The process of making Fibrex material actually begins with Andersen's manufacturing of millions of wood windows every year. Milling intricate profiles in these windows creates wood pieces that are too small to be used in other parts of the windows. This unused wood is reclaimed and repurposed to make Fibrex material, which is composed of 40% wood fiber by weight and 60% proprietary polymer. Combining their best characteristics while eliminating the undesirable ones is a process so intricate and so innovative that it earned Andersen over 30 patents. But in its simplest form, here's how it works. The wood fiber is heated to extract all of its moisture. Once the wood is properly dried, the polymer is heated to a specific temperature, and we're able to combine the two materials. Zooming into the microscopic level, you can now see the wood fiber and polymer molecules bonding to become an entirely new compound. Pulling out reveals a wood fiber. When we apply just the right pressure to the liquid polymer, it completely encases and fills each individual cell of the fiber without crushing any of them. Once encased, the wood fibers aligned and bind together, giving Fibrex material the remarkable ability to repel moisture plus all the strength and stiffness of wood, a combination where the whole is truly greater than the sum of its parts. The compound then flows through an extruder, allowing us to create virtually any shape and permanently apply virtually any color. Fibrex material is a component found in all of our windows and many patio doors. It's low maintenance, it never needs painting, and it won't rot, fade, flake, blister, or peel. And Fibrex material is engineered to be twice as strong as vinyl. In fact, unlike some materials that can bow and crack at extreme temperatures, Fibrex material retains its stability and rigidity in all climates. Andersen and Renewal by Andersen are committed to being good stewards of the Earth's resources. Since the development of Fibrex material, the reuse of wood fiber has prevented the harvesting of over 90 million board feet of lumber. What's more, the composition of Fibrex material helps make it extremely energy efficient. Our windows even meet California's Indoor Air Quality Code, one of the strictest in the country, all of which makes Fibrex material as smart for the world around us as it is for your home. Fibrex material, the strength of wood and the low maintenance of vinyl. Another Andersen innovation.